is where it gets exciting. Ooh, I'm getting a little facial here. Ooh, some people pay good money for this. Me, I just do it at home. Guys, look at how these pockets turned out. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite Irish dishes, and that is a little spin on shepherd's pie. Except this time around, I'm going to show you guys how to make shepherd pie pockets. They're going to be so good, so stick with me because this recipe is going to knock your socks off. So I have some Irish roots in my heritage on both sides thanks to Ancestry.com, and my great-grandmother was actually an Irish immigrant. So I love this shepherd's pie recipe, and I've made it my own by putting a little spin on it with shepherd pie pockets. So to get started, what we're gonna do is we're gonna prep the beef in a pan and we're gonna cook that first. So let's head on over to the stove because we gotta start there. Whee! So we want to take our skillet that has been heating up on medium heat, and we just want to add a little bit of oil to this pan to cook our ground beef. And then we are going to open up this guy. Can I do it with my nails? Am I strong enough? Ha! Yes. So then we are going to take our ground beef. We are going to put it into a pan like that. And then we're going to start breaking it up while it's cooking. Okay, so you just want to let that keep cooking until it is well done. That's how I like to cook my meat. And then while this is cooking, we're going to go ahead and add some salt to the mix, cracked pepper, and then a little bit of basil because your girl loves some basil, okay? Never can go wrong with some basil. Okay, let that cook, and then we're gonna start moving it around, making sure it's nice and evenly done. In the meantime, you can go ahead and set your oven to start preheating to 400 degrees because that's where we're going to cook our shepherd pie pockets. Bippity boppity boo. That's how you make cooking magic happen. You say a couple of magic words in the kitchen and then voila. Magic happens, just like that. This looks like it could cook for a little bit longer, but the thing is you don't want your ground beef to be fully cooked because it's also going to keep cooking while it's in the oven. So this is a good place to stop. We're going to turn off the heat on this, and then we're going to start preparing our pockets. So gotta head back over here. Here we go. Whee! Exciting. Ooh, I'm getting a little facial here. Ooh, some people pay good money for this. Me, I just do it at home. You want to take your baking sheet, spray it with some extra virgin olive oil, and then now we're ready to take our crescent rolls out. Boom. We need to get this into a place where I can make some pockets. Disperse it all evenly, like so. So this does not have to be perfect. It's just gotta be big enough that you can get a couple of pockets out of it. Baby, are you coming for the ride? I just wanna look into your eyes. I just wanna stay for the night. Don't sing with a sharp utensil in your hand. That could be dangerous. Okay. I'm gonna cut this thing in half. Since it's just me, I'm gonna make 2 pockets. And so I'm gonna take my ground beef and I'm gonna put it on in the center of my pocket first. And then I'm gonna take some potato hash. I got this potato hash frozen, and then I just threw it onto the stove back there to make it a faster thawing process, and warmed it up so that it was nice and toasty. We're gonna add some cheese to the top. Cover your pocket start with ground beef. Put that on first. Bloop. Then we are going to take some potatoes. Drop her there. Let her go. Then add a little bit of cheese to the top of this guy. And then we are going to wrap him again out of either side of the pocket. But, you know, if it just so happens to work out like that and you like a little bit more goodies inside, then that's perfect. Okay, so now our oven is at 400 degrees. We're gonna put these inside for 12 minutes and let them cook in the oven. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Great balls of fire. Okay guys, whoo, hot say, hot say. Look at these delicious pockets. Look at those, they look so good. Guys, look at how these pockets turned out. Now that we have our lovely shepherd pie pockets out of the oven, you know what time it is. It's time for the true test, which is the taste test. Let's see how these taste. Ooh, guys, look at that crust and how it just like perfectly crackles. Oof. I'm gonna make sure I get some potatoes out of this. Oh man. Guys, you gotta go down below, get a list of ingredients for this recipe and make this for yourself, because trust me, it's gonna knock your socks off. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button and the bell button up at the top so you get notified every time a new video is posted. And then we can keep hanging out together every single week. So, I will see you guys next time, and until then, bye y'all.